Alright, ACP in the house. Of course, we are doing Makina Almusal. Yung huling pagsasama natin was 2019. Makapagal pa yun. Dami rin natin nun, masaya din yun. Una-una saludo tayo sa Aerox Club of the Philippines kasi ang tibay ninyo. Kayo na isa sa pinakamalaking grupo na isa yung pakay ninyo at walang bangayan masyado.
Tsaka yun yung golden rule, sir. Dapat, unang-una, ride as one. Yun yung parang pinakamoto namin, sir. So, dapat wala talagang ganung mga issues. And kung meron man, dapat maayos agad-agad.
So, sa ano mga sectors ninyo? Let's start with you.
ACP Sorsogon.
ACP Sorsogon. Una-una, salamat sa pagpunta. Ang
Malayo.
Saan yung kasama mo? Ayan siya. Hi, good morning. Maraming salamat sa pagpunta. Power nap muna sila. Esther, how about you guys?
ACP Cavite.
ACP Cavite.
ECP Metro South, ito lang sa south natin.
So, sino pinakamalaking sect in terms of population?
Cavite, sir.
We're talking about ilan?
I think 300 if I'm not mistaken.
Dami-dami na
Just
rin,
an
ha?
estimate.
In terms of being in a club, you guys have some social service going on? Let's start with Sorsogon.
Community service din po. Charity ride.
Cavite, population 300.
Latest up to date, including aspirants, has almost 500 now.
Oh my God, that's a lot of people. That's a lot of members. Congrats, ha? Congrats. So, ano mga ginagawa ng community service?
We went to the General Trias Jail. Nagpakain po kami at nagbigay po kami ng mga bath essentials po. Snacks para po dun sa mga first 100 na nasa General Trias Jail. Tapos nagpa-activity din po kami, nagpa-games po kami. Nagbigay din po kami ng kasiyahan po sa mga nandoon. Yun po yung pinaka-recent po namin.
That's great. Metro South.
As a whole, sa buong Aerox Club Philippines, June or July, sir, no, yung ano natin, tree planting namin, sir, sa Nueva Ecija, nag-plant kami ng more than 500 plants. Ang nag-organize dun, sir, aside from the ACP Nueva Ecija, sir, siyempre yung national, lahat ng sector, sir, nag-participate. And then for Metro South naman, sir, Brigada Eskwela, nung last June, nung nagpasokan yung mga bata. And then, kung may mga victims sa mga calamities like nung nasunugan within our area, nag-aambaga kami para matulungan yung mga nasunugan.
That's very, very important. Now, how can people join you guys? Kanya-kanyang Facebook page ba? Or
May kanya-kanya, sir.
They can look up for the Aerox Club Philippines Facebook page, the main page. And they can send a message there. There's a general aspirants GC na kung saan they will just mention yung location nila. And then they will direct the aspirant to the nearest location na kung saan chapter po siya pwedeng mabili. And then they will need to attend several EBs kasi yun naman dito naman talaga nag-start yung connection. They have to be active on every activities and events po ng chapter.
Para maging official member.
Then the official member. So,
sa inyong tatlo, una-una, ang tindi mo.
Siya pinakamatindi sa
Oo,
atin, sir.
man. Ingat ka pa uwi, ha?
Yes po.
Oo, kain ka lang ulit. Problema. Any upcoming events naman?
Siguro, sir, for Aerox Club Philippines, our national planning to have the Aerox Attack. Ito yung parang motor show ng Aerox Club Philippines.
Nice.
They are planning parang sa ngayon, pero once na meron, sir, syempre hindi mawawala yung makina.
We will support that 100%.
Yes, sir.
Okay, guys, maraming salamat. Sana nag-enjoy kayo sa breakfast niyo. Thank you for showing up and
Thank you, sir.
nakakatawa, mabuhay ang
Thank you po.
ACP.
Yes, sir.
Thank you so much.